Good afternoon, folks. My name is Don Chichojenko, and today I'm going to make authentic restaurant style enchiladas. Everybody claims them to be authentic restaurant style, but I'm going to show you a secret to making the sauce taste just like restaurant style. And with that said, I'll show you real quick the ingredients we're going to use, and then we'll go through the procedure of putting them together. Very simple, very fast, very authentic tasting. Now, you don't need to write any of this down or memorize it, because I'm going to put the recipe in the show more section. You can just print it. But here's all the ingredients I like to use. Start out with the sauce. I like Old El Paso. You can make your own sauce, but it's a lot of work and it's unnecessary. I'll show you how to make it taste just right. I use this brand here, mild. I don't like them spicy. It's the red sauce. Sharp cheddar. I use sharp cheddar because it has a lot more flavor. The mild and medium are too bland. Corn tortillas. I don't use flour. There's no such thing as a flour enchilada as far as I'm concerned. Shredded sharp cheddar, little sugar, salt, and here's the secret. These powdered chilies, Guajillo. You can get them in this brand, Costeña or Tampico. And the other one is California chilies. And I add these to the sauce. That's where you get your authentic flavor. And I'll show you how much to put on the ones I make. But you can always add more if you want them a little stronger tasting. That's all up to you. But here's the secret right here. You'll need a tortilla warmer in a casserole dish, and make sure it's greased so nothing sticks to it. That's the basic ingredients, and then we'll put them together real quick. Step one. You need to soften your tortillas, your corn tortillas, and there's 3 ways to do this. You can dip them in hot oil, or you can dip them in the sauce that you're going to roll them up and cook them in. And I do it the easy way. I get a hot pan, dip a little water like this, and warm them up in the hot pan, and then I'll put them in the tortilla warmer like that. This is how they were cooked anyway. And while they're sitting in the tortilla warmer, the steam from the other tortillas will keep them soft. So this is the easy way to warm them up. And we'll do, I'm going to do 6 today. And that's the easy way to soften them up. So that's step 1. In the saucepan here, we're going to add 2 cans of this enchilada sauce. Just like that. This will make about 6 to 8 enchiladas. And here is the secret. The California chili, we add 1 teaspoon, a fairly heaping teaspoon of that. There we go. And here's a 1/4 teaspoon of the Guajillo. Like that. And there's the secret. That is what's going to add all that good flavor to the enchilada sauce. And you can add more if you want, but that's as far as I like to take it. Now you want this to simmer for about 15 minutes while you stir it, and all those good flavors will mix together real well. The reason we're cooking the sauce again, even though it's cooked in the can, is because you want to cook it a little longer for better flavor, and the powder that you added to it is raw. So you don't want to serve it raw, and you want to cook it down some with the sauce and mix all the flavors together. So you do this about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. That'll take care of it. That's where you get your delicious flavor. And remember, I added salt and a little sugar to it also. Alright, let's put these puppies together now. Now my favorite are cheese, and I don't spare the cheese. You can use seasoned hamburger, seasoned pork, chicken, whatever kind of filling you want to use. But my favorites have always been cheese. And then you take your casserole dish, you layer the bottom, after it's greased, layer the bottom with some sauce. That way nothing sticks and flavors all the way around the tortilla. Get your nice pliable tortilla that's been heated. Put it down. Piece of cheese. Another piece of cheese. And then we roll it up. See how well that rolls up without breaking? That's because it's been warmed up. We layer down in there. It's good. Okay, piece of cheese. Another piece of cheese. Roll it up. And you just keep layering them out like that till you got the whole bowl full. Yeah, we got them all laid out now in the pan. Now we start putting the sauce over them. Plenty of sauce. You don't want a dry tortilla because they get very hard and you can't even chew them. So I make sure that there's nothing showing, everything covered with sauce. Thusly. Yeah. Then we top all that off with a lot more cheese. Yes, sir. More sharp cheddar, grated. And this is where all your flavor is at. Everything mixed together. Like I said, folks, when you're making these, don't spare the cheese. And there you have it. She's ready to go into the oven. Is that nice or what? These are going to be delicious, and they're going to taste just like restaurant style. Actually better. They're going to take like Grandma Martinez's from down from Mexico. And now they're ready to go into the oven. Here they are. Now this is a small batch. It's only 6, but that's because it's only just my wife and myself. There's only 2 of us. But for a larger family and whatever, you can put them in a cookie sheet, make as many as you want. Ready to come out of the oven. And here we have 6 enchiladas, and we like to eat them with diced onions, and we like to add crema, Mexican crema. This isn't sour cream, it's a Mexican cream, and it makes this really taste good. And that's how you make Grandma's authentic restaurant style enchiladas. They are delicious. You're going to really like them. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Thank you.